Guys, there's a lake in Africa that turns animals into stone. Sounds familiar, right? Unlike Medusa, the movie. Nope, this isn't a horror story. This is Lake Nutron in Tanzania. The water is so salty and so alkaline. Animals who dies in it get mummified, perfectly preserved. It's bloody red, hot and dangerous, and yet flamingos love it so much. They nest there, they live there, like it's no big deal. Nature doesn't play by our rule. And Africa, she's full of mystery, just like this one.